In this video, I will be unboxing the Teknatool Woodturning Nova Supernova 2 chuck bundle. Woodturning without a 4-jaw lathe woodturning chuck is almost impossible. I have more than one Nova lathe chuck. When using my Nova woodturning lathe, I sometimes use 2 Teknatool Nova lathe chucks. Having more than one chuck in your woodturning tools is good woodturning tips. When basic woodturning, one needs a woodturning lathe and woodturning tools. I also have 2 woodturning lathes. Please watch until the end. Woodturning Nova Super 2 Chuck Bundle Unboxing.
Hey Woodies, how you doing? Woodpops here. In today's episode of Expressions in Wood, I'm going to be unboxing the Nova Supernova 2 Chuck Bundle package. Yep, just got myself this Supernova Chuck Bundle. I'm a big Nova fan. This will be my 3rd Nova chuck. My first one, right here, 13 years old, okay? I've put this puppy through the ringer and it still works great. I bought my first Supernova 2 about 10 years ago, and it works even better. Super. I guess that's why they call it a supernova. It's great having 2 chucks. A lot of projects, I need 2 chucks because I'm doing different sizes and I hate changing jaws out. So it's always good to have 2 chucks. Now, I got 3 chucks. All right, all right, all right. I'm a happy camper, okay? So, without further ado, let's jump right in here and let's unbox this Nova Supernova 2 chuck package, okay? And if you like one of these, I've got some links down in the show notes where you can buy one of these at Amazon. There's several of these packages. Make sure that you get the right package that matches the TPI count on the spindle of the lathe that you own, okay? That's important. These are great packages. They're on sale at Amazon, and you want to pick yourself one up, okay? So without further ado, let's jump right in here and let's unbox this Nova, okay? This Nova Supernova chuck bundle, the added value bundle, comes with a woodworm screw. It comes with a T-handle chuck key. It comes with a 130 millimeter set of jaws, and it comes with a 100 millimeter set of jaws. This particular one right here that I bought fits 1 1/4 by 8 TPI, which is my Nova Galaxy lathe. And so let's open this thing up right now. It is really heavy, as you can imagine. And here we got the box. It's got a nice plastic box to keep it in. That sucker's heavy. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, we've got the we have the T-handle chuck key right here. That's a nice improvement. It's a little bit bigger. Looks like it's a little bit more sturdy. We have our wormwood screw. We've got our hex key and the screws to put the jaws on. Right here's the main chuck body. Very nice. Ooh, nice and brand new. I like that. Nova. Okay, we got that. And let's see, we have a set of jaws here. This is your standard set of jaws, I guess, you know. The ones that come with every chuck, and then we've got two additional sets over here. I guess this is the 130 millimeter. So this comes with 3 sets of jaws. That's nice. So let's see. I think I've already got this 130 millimeter, but I don't have the 100 millimeter. So let's put on the 100 millimeter. Let's put these over here. You have to wipe these off because they're a little bit greasy, as you can imagine. So let's get these. This is the 100 millimeter jaws right here. There. Let's get this. Oh, one thing I noticed here, my box lid is broken. Can you see that? Right there? Huh. So the box is pretty flimsy. It's broken already. I haven't even had it 10 minutes. So here's our main body. And let's see. You gotta remember, you gotta match up your jaws with your number. This is a number 3. So it goes right there. We'll open this pack of screws. It's hard to do with my greasy hands. I'm of the mind that you can't have too many chucks. A lot of times I'm working on a project where I'll need 2 different size jaws on my chuck, and it's a pain having to stop what I'm doing and change the jaws back and forth. So that's why I have 2 chucks, so I don't have to do that. I set them both up. They're both set up for my Nova lathe. And it's very convenient. So I'm sure having these 3 chucks, I'll put all 3 of them to use on projects. And then you have your little set screw right here. You probably can't see it, but this is to lock your chuck. This is to lock your chuck on your spindle. That's always an excellent idea. So there it is. My new Nova, my new Supernova. Wow. I love it. Excellent. Merry Christmas to you, woodpops. There we go. Nice chuck. The big jaws. Right there. Let's get this old one out of here. So we got 3 sets of jaws. Excellent. So there it is, the Nova Supernova2 chuck bundle. This particular one is the added value bundle, and it's for a 1 1/4 ATPI lathe with up to a 20-inch capacity. This is locked in, so you can't change it out. You want to make sure you buy, when you're buying this bundle, make sure you get the one that fits your lathe, okay? Because you can't change these out like some of the other ones where you put a adapter in there. So there you have it. Okay, well that wraps up another episode of Expressions in Wood, the Nova Supernova2 chuck bundle. I hope you liked it. I hope you go out and buy one of these if you're in the market for a new chuck. You can get them at Amazon. There's a link down in the show notes. Just click that link, it'll take you right to Amazon. You can pick one of these chuck bundles up. If you do buy it through my link, Amazon will give me a few pennies, which would greatly help in producing these videos. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so now and ring the little bell so you'll be notified. And if you like this video, please click the like button and share it with your friends, because that's how I grow my channel. That wraps up this episode of Expressions in Wood. This is Woodpops. See you in the next one.